you doing? Nope, my name's not Dylan. I'm the lawnmower lady, and I like fixing small engines. Today's video is kind of short, and it's a pretty common problem that a lot of people have, but it's a hard to figure out problem. This particular video is in regards to Honda lawnmowers, but what happens is you'll get out your mower, start it up, run for 3, 4, 5 minutes, and it sputters and stops, and you're like going, wait a minute, what's going on? You turn it over, there's nothing caught up under there, and you take the gas cap off, and yeah, there's plenty of gas, and you put the cap back on, and then it starts right up, and then you blow for another 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, and then it happens again, and it's like, what is going wrong with this thing? Well, watch this video. It's a quick, real easy fix, and hopefully it'll get you back mowing your lawn. Alright, so this is a Honda lawnmower. It's got a GCV 160 engine on it, and it will start and run for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes, and then it will stop running. And here's the quick and easy fix on that. Oftentimes on Hondas, there's the fuel cap, and it has to breathe, alright? And there is the, this vibrates around, and you see there's 2 little holes right there, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And the easy way to fix this is to get a small screwdriver or anything and put this in, and you will hear it kind of crunchy in there. So there is indeed some crap that is obstructing the vent holes. And this is probably a quick fix for now, but the real solution is to replace the gas cap. There's a lot of crunchy junk debris inside of here which stops that from operating. Alright, so there you have it. Quick and easy fix for a lawnmower that cuts out on you because the gas cap is not venting correctly. The mechanics of it are such that as the gasoline drains into the carburetor bowl, if the gas cap is not venting correctly, then it will create negative pressure, and mean old Mr. Gravity can't overcome that negative pressure in your gas tank. If you have this problem, pretty simple. Some caps you do need to eventually replace, so this is only a temporary fix. But if you learned something, please push the like and subscribe button, and I can make more of these videos. Well, I'm the lawnmower lady. Thanks for watching, and as I like to say, mow happy.